Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome back again. My name is Javi, and I hope you're having a very, very beautiful day today. Yes, it's so beautiful, so amazing, and life is just so rich. So, as you've been experiencing, as you begin to dive into the direct experience of your true self, everything is amazing, everything is beautiful, because you give beauty to everything, you give amazingness to everybody. You are creating what you are receiving through your senses. You are the director, you are the author. Everything that is out there is really just a reflection of either our personal self expressing our beliefs and how we see the world, or we just see naturally without any of the biased filters of the personal self. And that's what makes it beautiful. And at the same time, our personal self is our own self-sabotaging mechanism that keeps us in every way a slave to suffering, bondage to separation, and lack of understanding and peace, because there's no clarity in the personal self. There's no full wholeness, and to simply put it, there's no state of just well-being. There's no underlining everything is gonna be okay, because the mind's always playing out scenarios, problems, what ifs. That's his job, to be analytical like that. It's just an analytical kind of computer, and that's what happens when you let that drive your experience, when you let that direct your life. That's the experiences that you get. And when you try to find peace within that dimension and that paradigm, it can be very complex and complicated. And people feel like they gotta travel to the Himalayas, and people feel like they have to do so many meditations and so many retreats and so many practices to try to find some sort of spiritual evolution or spiritual happiness, when the reality of it all, it's just the mind's way of trying to find its peace. And it's kind of counterintuitive when you let the mind try to find its own destruction. That's kind of what we end up kind of falling into, versus just separating yourself fully and completely from the mind and stepping back to see it for what it is, as pure awareness that just is, that just sees. And as you step into this embodiment of this awareness, you begin to taste and see the richness of life, the beauty of it all, the abundance of everything, because it's everywhere. And it's really what Jesus and Buddha and all the great sages always spoke about when they said the kingdom of heaven is within, and it's all right here. It's all within us and all within us. And that us is that inner true point of pure love and pure being, just pure existing, pure I am. And that last video I made was a good, very good tool and exercise just to be able to drop in into that point of experiencing life from this being, and everything after that, whatever's happening in the world, whatever is going on in the world, you're just looking at it. There's no judgment, there's no good or bad, there's no, you know, really any suffering, to be very basic and simple. And it's not hard. It's as simple as having a little bit of will and discipline to want to observe the mind, and not always just be very easy to get triggered by it and easy to get in its gravitational pull. So I feel so much joy as so many of us are coming to this space of pure being and pure existence. And it is amazing. It truly is an amazing time when everybody starts to balance their energy into their true form, and we start to honor each other from this space and truly start to see each other, our true selves, from my heart to your heart and your heart to my heart. And everything's just so much easier. You feel like you get this weight off your shoulder. Everything just flows with people, with, if you're still doing businesses and whatever, there's a honest integrity of just the heart trying to help another heart and connect with another heart. And whatever gets built from that space, it's up to us. It's up to the future of how it unfolds in the present moment. But it is always within the present moment. So I'll leave it at that. Hope all of you guys having a very, very rich and abundant, great, beautiful, amazing day today. And I love you guys. Namaste. Peace be with you. Amitabha. All is love. Om.